welcome again all of you in Vedika's tutorial. So today we are going to solve few word problems related to algebraic expression. Okay, so let's quickly get started. So the question number 1 is the length of a square hall is 7 meter. So find the perimeter of the hall. So it is talking about a square hall. Okay, so let's solve each of the question one by one. So number 1 is, it is talking about a square hall. Okay, so the length of a square hall is 7 meter. So what is the length? Length of its one side is, suppose that this is 7 meter. So now the question is asking about find the perimeter of the hall. So perimeter, to find the perimeter, first we need to know what is the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is 4a, that is 4 into side. So here the side is 7 meter. Now we need to find the perimeter, that is equal to 4 into 7, okay, which is equal to 28 meter. So this is our answer. The perimeter of the hall is 28 meter. Very easy question. I have solved the question in just few seconds because I know the basics. Okay, so if you also want to learn the basics, kindly see the questions related to the plane shape and solid shape. I have uploaded a video. In that video we have talked about what is the perimeter and the area of each of the solid shapes as well as the plane shapes. Okay, now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 is talking about, question number 2 is saying the length of a rectangular playground is thrice its breadth. Okay, is thrice its breadth if the perimeter of the playground. So before moving to the second statement, let's write down the first statement. The length of a rectangular playground is thrice its breadth. So suppose that if the breadth is x, if the breadth is x, okay, let the breadth be x. So what will be the length? The length will be 3x. The length will be 3x. Now see what the question says. If the perimeter is 56 meters. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is given, which is equal to 56 meter. Now see, it is talking about the rectangular playground. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to what? As perimeter of a square is equal to 4a. Now it is talking about perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2l plus b, that is 2 into length plus breadth. So here both length and breadth we need to find out. Okay, find its dimension. That means we need to find both length and breadth as well. So let's write it down. 2 length, in length we will write 3x plus breadth, for breadth we write x. Okay, 2 length plus breadth is equal to 20. What is the perimeter? 56. Okay, 56. Now 3x plus x, that is equal to 4x, is equal to 56. So 4 into 2, 8x is equal to 56. Now if 8x is equal to 56, x is equal to what? Exactly, in the simplification question we have solved this type of question. Various of question we have solved in my previous video. So the value of x will be 7. How I have written 7 over here, you will get it through my previous video. Okay, we have solved in that video so many simplification based questions related to algebra. So the value of x is 7. So we write it that breadth is 7 meter and length will be what? 3x. 3x means what? 3x means 3 into 7, that is 21 meter. 3 into 7, that is 21 meter. Now let's see question number 3. Now let's move towards question number 3. Question number 3 says the length of the rectangular table. Again it is talking about rectangular table. The length of the rectangular table is 3 meter more than the breadth. Okay, so again breadth is x and length is what? Here length is not thrice. In the second question it is thrice. Children, we have to find the keyword. we have to focus on keyword. Here the keyword is thrice. Thrice means multiplication. In that thrice we have to use the operation multiplication, but in this question more than is used. Okay, I have uploaded a question on the keywords now, that which keyword is used in which operation. So thrice is the keyword of multiplication, that is why we have written over 3x. But here more than is used, and more than is the keyword of which operation? Exactly, addition. So it is given that 3 meter more than the breadth. So length will be x plus 3. Okay, now again perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to 26 meter. Now again we need to find the length and breadth. So we will write it like that. 2 into L plus B. This is L, x plus 3. And what is the breadth? X is equal to 26. Okay. Now 2x plus x, 2x plus 3 is equal to 26. 2 into 2, 4x plus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to 26. Now 4x is equal to 26 minus 6, 20x is equal to 5. So breadth is equal to 5 meter and length is equal to what? X plus 3, that means 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8 meter. So is equation this is. Now let's move towards few more questions related to algebra. Now question number 4 is the number of boys in a school is 120 more than the number of girls. So first we need to write the equation of first statement. Okay, that the question is saying the number of boys is 120 more than the number of girls. Okay, so suppose the number of girls is x, so the number of boys is 120 plus x. Okay, now the second statement is if there are 980 students, if there are 980 students in the school, find the number of boys in the school. Okay, so the total number of student is 980. So girl plus boy is equal to total student. Okay, so x plus x, 2x is equal to 980 minus 120, which is equal to 2x is equal to 0 minus 0, 8 minus 2, 6, 9 minus 1, 8. So x is equal to 860 divided by 2, which is equal to 430. So x is for girls, so the number of girls is 430. But now here we need to find the number of boys. So the number of boys are 120 plus x, and x is 430, which is equal to 550. So the number of boys in the schools is 550 and the number of girls are 430. Okay, now let's see question number 5. Question number 5 is if a number is multiplied by 4. Okay, it is talking about a number. We can take any number. Suppose that the number is a. Okay, let the number be a. Now when it is multiplied by 4, when we multiply the number with 4, okay, and then decreased by 7, and then it get decreased by 7, we get 29. So the result is 29. Now find the number. Children, in algebra, it is very important to write the equation, to know how to form the equation. And how you will be able to write the equation? By reading out each of the statement one by one. Okay, you do not get panic by seeing any large question or a small question. In word problems, usually there are 2 to 3 statements over there. So we have to read every question one by one, and then one by one we need to write the equation. And once you write the equation correctly, you will get your answer definitely correctly. Okay, so this is the equation I have written for the given question. Now a multiplied by 4 is equal to 4a, okay, minus 7 is equal to 29. Now 4a is equal to 29, this minus will get converted into plus. So 4a is equal to 7 plus 9, 16 carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now A is equal to 36 by 4, which is equal to 9. So what is the number? 9 is the number. We can check it also. We can check the question also. 9 into 4. A into 4 minus 7 is our LHS. Okay. So 9 into 4 minus 7. This is 9. 9 into 4, 36 minus 7, which is equal to 29. Now here we can see that LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way we can solve the questions related to algebra very easily, but we have to know how to form an equation, how to write the equation correctly, and you will only able to write the equation if you know the systematic method. Okay, so this video is talking about word problems. Now in the next video we will have a new topic for you. So stay tuned, stay connected with the channel Vedika's Tutorial. If you're watching my video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel Vedika's Tutorial for new updates and notification. Thank you for watching my video.